Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.2345 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.2111. 1.2482. The earlier day close, 1.2148. The change was plus 0.0197, plus 1.62%. Opposite rates, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, June 26. Cost 1.23 rands, high 1.32, low 1.14. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, June 27. Cost 1.27 rands, high 1.36, low 1.18. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, June 28. Cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, June 29. Cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40. Low 1.22. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, June 30. Cost 1.31 rands, high 1.40, low 1.22. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, July 3. Cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39, low 1.21. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, July 4. Cost 1.30 rands, high 1.39. Low 1.21. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, July 5. Cost 1.33 rands, high 1.42, low 1.24. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, July 6. Cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38, low 1.20. In about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, July 7. Cost 1.29 rands, high 1.38. Low 1.20. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 10. Cost 1.27 rands, high 1.36, low 1.18. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, July 11. Cost 1.26 rands, high 1.35, low 1.17. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, July 12. Cost 1.12 rands, high 1.20, low 1.04. Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, July 13. Cost 1.13 rands, high 1.21, low 1.05. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, July 14. Cost 1.13 rands, high 1.21, low 1.05. Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, July 17. Cost 1.08 rands, high 1.16. Low 1.00. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18. Cost 1.14 rands, high 1.22, low 1.06. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, July 19. Cost 1.05 rands, high 1.12, low 0.98. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, July 20. Cost 1.05 rands, high 1.12, low 0.98. In about a month Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, July 21. Cost 1.04 rands, high 1.11, low 0.97. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, July 24. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. Dogecoin conjecture on Tuesday, July 25. Cost 1.09 rands, high 1.17, low 1.01. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. At the outset cost at 1.41 rands, excessive cost 1.45, while low cost 1.06. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.31. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.31. Change for June 7.1%. Dogecoin figure for July 2023. Initially cost at 1.31 rands, excessive cost 1.51, while low cost 0.97. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.30. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.41. Change for July 7.6%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. Initially cost at 1.41 rands, excessive cost 1.47, while low cost 1.27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.38. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.37. change for August 2.8%. Dogecoin figure for September 2023, initially cost at 1.37 rands, excessive cost 1.55. While low cost 1.35, the arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.43. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.45, change for September 5.8%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. To start with cost at 1.45 rands, exorbitant cost 1.45. While low cost 1.26, the found the middle value of cost 1.38. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.35, change for October 6.9%. Dogecoin estimate for November 2023. To start with cost at 1.35 rands, exorbitant cost 1.35. While low cost 1.13, the found the middle value of cost 1.26. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.21. Change for November 10.4%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.21 rands, exorbitant cost 1.50. While low cost 1.21, the found the middle value of cost 1.33. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.40. Change for December 15.7%. Dogecoin estimate for January 2024. To start with cost at 1.40 rands, exorbitant cost 1.40. While low cost 1.10, the found the middle value of cost 1.27. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.18. Change for January 15.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place cost at 1.18 rands, exorbitant cost 1.18. While low cost 0.92, the found the middle value of cost 1.07. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 0.99. Change for February 16.1%. Dogecoin gauge for WOC 2024. In the first place cost at 0.99 rands, exorbitant cost 1.23. While low cost 0.99, the found the middle value of cost 1.09. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.15, change for spring 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. In the first place cost at 1.15 rands, exorbitant cost 1.32. While low cost 1.14, the found the middle value of cost 1.21. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.23, change for April 7.0%. Dogecoin gauge for May 2024. To start with cost at 1.23 rands, exorbitant cost 1.23. While low cost 1.06, the found the middle value of cost 1.17. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.14. Change for May 7.3%. Dogecoin cost